people get stressed because in business you should check there are employment very important, and there are lot of facility means payment is fixed, and lot of government facilities means your health facilities, medical facility also available, and their quarter also something lot of facility also available, and time is fixed there means 10 to 5 time is fixed there, and after timing you can enjoy your life, but in business can't possible. There means 24 hours you can run their business, and sir in job also their facility means nowadays holiday is running means you can enjoy your holiday, but in business can't possible. That's why I am in the favor of business. Yeah.
Morning friends, morning around. My name is Rohit. As we all know, today's topic is business versus job. I am in the favor in doing a business, doing a job. Sorry, because in a job, first you can apply in the job as a fresher, but in the business you have to first establish a business. Then you will move on further. And some more thing I want to talk about the business. In a business, you will not get holiday, but in a job you can apply for the job. You can apply for the holiday anytime. Okay. And if I talk about the alliances in the job, you will get all the alliances as compared to business. But if you want extra benefit in the business, so you have to put the more than efforts in a business. So it is the reason behind that. That's I am in the favor to do the job. Thank you.
Sir, a bit. Sound comes.
And today our GD topic is business versus job, and I am in the favor of business. Business is the for running the business. For running the business there are lots of restrictions. When a person start running the business, they required they don't require knowledge for running the business, but we doing the job in government sector as well as the private sector, they require education person, educated person. Educated persons for running the business, we can't move freely, and we set up our lifestyle freely, and there is no restrictions. There is no restrictions of person. They don't get in any stress about their business, but in job there are lots of stress they doing the job, and in business there are 100% profit the persons get, but in job they don't get the 100% profit. Job for job is business is in business they work 24 hours and they also free 24 hours. That's why I am in the favor of business. Thank you.
Now keep conversing. Keep conversing now. You can keep
Start
conversing
conversing.
together. So, ma'am, converse.
About topic. was king, I don't know. He was the most intelligent person.
And did it for nothing.
Yes.
And they made a picture.
Is consumed liquor.
Ma'am, please correct the sentence. What ma'am has told about the sir?
Does he consume liquor?
I'm not asking you to ask the question. You are asking the question, miscommunicating. Okay, fine. Yours.
He consumes liquor.
Speak a bit loudly.
He consumes liquor.
Please ask him directly. Ask him directly.
He consumes liquor.
Ask, ma'am, please ask him directly.
He's consuming.
Sir, please.
You consume liquor.
Ma'am, please.
You consume liquor.
Ma'am, please.
Do you consume liquor?
Speak loudly.
Do you consume liquor?
Very good. Refuse about yourself.
I am not consuming liquor.
Mistake is here. Ma'am, please.
I do not consume liquor.
Very good. Speak again loudly.
I do not consume liquor.
But
But he consumes liquor.
make two sentences again.
I do not consume liquor, but he consumes liquor.
And yesterday,
And yesterday, I consumed liquor.
I
Consumed liquor.
ask her directly.
Do you consume liquor?
Ma'am, please ask her directly.
Did you consume?
Speak. Very good. Again, please ask her.
Did you consume?
Sir, refuse.
I did not consume liquor.
Speak loudly.
I did not consume liquor.
I did not.
Consume liquor.
Very good. What sir has spoken, ma'am? But talk about your wish. Not I want. Not like this. I want. Yeah. Speak loudly. After want, what is there? Action or action? Ma'am, please. After want, what is there? Action or action? Action. So what will come in mid? Well, correct the sentence.
I want to consume liquor.
Speak
I
loudly.
want to consume liquor.
Talk about ma'am.
She wants to consume liquor.
Very good. Ask her directly.
Do you want to consume liquor?
Ma'am, refuse.
I do not want to consume liquor.
But
But she wants to consume liquor.
ask her directly.
Do you consume liquor?
Ask me about ma'am.
Does he consume liquor?
She has forgotten the sentence.
Does she want to consume liquor?
Ask her directly.
Do you want to consume liquor?
Look at her face and ask her.
Do you want to consume liquor?
Sir, please refuse.
Ma'am.
About you.
I do not want to consume liquor. I do not want to consume liquor.
But yesterday,
But yesterday,
we are talking about wish. Take care.
I wanted to consume liquor.
Perfect. What sir has spoken?
You wanted to consume liquor yesterday.
Very good. Ask him directly.
Did you want to consume liquor yesterday?
Now leave the topic consume liquor. Okay, next topic we should take. पूरी रात जगे रहना. नहीं आपको तो मना करो. Sorry, Joshi. Sorry, I can't. Recall. Shall speak loudly. Well, if you do not know simple, refuse. Sorry, I can't recall. क्यों शब्द देखते हैं आपको? And interviewer asks you question, आप कैसे reply करोगे? मना कर दीजिए. Sorry, I can't recall. Okay, fine.
Keep
Keep
awake.
awake.
Keep awake.
Talk about your wish.
I want to keep awake.
And yesterday also,
I want to keep awake.
what ma'am has spoken.
You wanted to wake up awake.
Keep awake.
You wanted to
Keep awake.
Keep awake.
Very good. Talk about your liking.
I like to keep awake.
What sir has spoken? Mangesh sir. Ma'am, please
We like to keep awake.
speak loudly.
We like to keep awake.
Mistake is here.
He likes to keep awake.
Ask him directly.
Do you like to keep awake?
Refuse.
I do not like to keep awake.
What man has spoken?
She do not like to keep awake.
She do not.
She does not like to keep awake.
But Kavachan.
I does not like to keep awake.
I does not.
I
She do not. I does not.
I do not like to keep awake.
Talk about her.
But
Talk about her.
it's her compulsion.
So, then why are you using I do not? Talk about her directly.
She does not like to
Keep awake.
she does not like to keep awake.
But
it's her compulsion. That's why she
she has to.
to keep awake.
Very good. What What man has spoken about you?
I does not like to give away.
All Aisha.
I do not want.
Yeah, beta, tell me, it's okay.
I do not want.
But she was not talking about desire. She was talking about the liking. Yeah, ma'am. What ma'am has spoken about you? You did not listen to her? Well, congratulations. But there is no need, we are not talking about wish and desire. We are talking about liking. Yeah, ma'am, please.
I do not like to keep away, but that's why my compulsion.
It's my compulsion.
It's my compulsion.
Construction does matter. Construct the sentence properly again, please. Again, tell me. What man has spoken about you? Simple.
I do not like to keep away. That's why.
No, but it's mine.
But it's my
Compulsion.
I have.
No, that's why.
That's why I have to keep away.
Away. Now again, construct. Sincerely.
I do not like to keep away.
Look at everybody, okay?
I do not like to keep away, but that's why.
But it's my compulsion.
But it's my compulsion.
That's why.
That's why I have to keep away.
It's okay. Open your notebook, start conversing, please. Open your notebook. Open your notebook, converse. Three of you converse. Three of you. Open your notebook, converse. Yeah, converse, please. Ask the question. Ask the question and answer. Sincerely. Converse sincerely. But yesterday, I consumed 3 hours. Ask him again. But let's say that when you thought were you, was she? Like, sir, yesterday I saw you. That time I saw you lecture teaching.
I also lecture teaching. What do you want to in this class?